Hey guys, today, welcome to Monday, I guess. I will be right back. Hey guys, welcome to Monday Funday. Today, I don't know how to talk. Today, how did you get that here? Okay, today, we are going, I don't want to make, I'm gonna say hi. I am having a mail time. Can you send some gifts? Gifts. I know I'm like having. I'm sorry. Oh, I know. My internet is just nirvana. I know. Okay, I'm just gonna say to this girl that your channel no beeps are you on, and when I search up Nirvana, all that comes up is a music channel, and when I search Nirvana MSP, no vids are on. My YouTube channel name is just Nirvana. I guess, yeah. Just Nirvana. Not MSP. Why do I have this MSP logo? I don't want that. Okay, that's my name. Give me and I am recording. Oops. Oh yeah, let me go on YouTube really quick. Guys, I will be right back. I'm back. Yeah. I'm just gonna go right here because one of my fans, I won't say fans because they are kind of my fans, but like, I'm gonna say fans reliving my boy account. Okay, hey guys. We turn it up. I turn it up. This is on my aesthetic account. Send aesthetic gifts. Oh, she texted me then. Okay, I want to say this one because she were talking to me on this video, and I love this video. It's my favorite video right now because it's like, oh, I'm in the video. And she was wrecked, so I'm gonna just like, yeah. I think she was on here, I guess. I want to see when she showed me. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys. Again, I'm gonna show you guys something. There's me. I'm with the pink. No, there's a hat black to you. Sorry. Which block did you? Ooh, Gnex. I wanna wait, then she answered me. That's me! Okay, I'm just gonna wait that she texted me. Want a makeover. Okay, I'm gonna just wait and when I see this video, so be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Stop this video. Okay, there you go. Again, this is more easier. Okay, send some gifts. Hello. Are you there? Hello, are you there? Bye. Yeah, bye. Okay. Can you step to my YouTube channel, guys? So, go down below and search up. Just say down below if you did this. Sub with your nose. Click on that subscribe button and just sub it with your nose. Like take your nose and just sub it in the screen. Whatever you're on. And if you're using mouse, click and you don't use it. And then you just say, and then you just put hashtag I did it, and yeah, bye.